Okay, so let's start it, okay? Chapter 5, everybody, chapter 5. We will talk about business expense, big issue, okay? Related to Schedule C. So everybody, if you have computer, get online and please put out the Schedule C on the screen, and we're gonna go over it. For chapter 5, that is a big issue, okay? And even though we will focus on Schedule C, however, the same rule, same principle also apply to corporation. Okay, let me make it clear. Because even though for today, we will spend most of the time on Schedule C, but if we refresh back, Schedule C attached to what? When we say Schedule C, that is what form Schedule C?
1040.
Yeah, 1040. And the 1040, that's for individual. Okay? So let me repeat again. Chapter 5, we're going to talk about business expenses. Even though we're going to focus, we will follow our Schedule C. Schedule C is form 1040, that is for individual. However, the same principle also apply to corporation. Okay? And in the following week, we will talk about corporation tax. Not yet, okay? Right now, for today, we only focus on the individual tax. However, same rule we learned for today will apply in a couple weeks when we talk about corporation. Let me refresh again. Anybody still remember? If you prepare tax return for C corporation, you prepared tax return for C corporation, what number of the form you're gonna use? Which form?
1020.
Close enough. 1120. 1120. Okay. I don't know when the IRS design the form, 10 something. 10 means individual. Okay. 1041 that's for the trust. Okay. 11 that's for corporation. And 1065 that's for partnership. So those are 3 or 4 major tax form. Okay. So 1040, of course, it is the most popular one. And also, it reminds me, this afternoon I'll be very busy. Okay, because for the corporation, for business, deadline is on March 15th. So if you're running a corporation, either C or S or LLC, okay, the tax filing day is the 2.5 months after the tax year. So, if you have your corporation, you need to complete your return by March 15th. Then your business generate probably K1 or whatever to its shareholder. So your shareholder has another month to complete individual. That is March 15th. Okay. So let's just lay out the basic, the foundation, the background for today. Okay, everybody, let's take a look of the Schedule C. Okay, Schedule C. We will not go over everything, but at least you can see on the phone Schedule C, you see capital letter A, that is the name of your business, and also B, you need to enter the code, and the code number you can find different kind of business, different code. Okay, you can find out the number on the Schedule C instruction. If you get online, you can see, I don't know how many pages, a lot of pages. Okay, Schedule C is only 2 pages, but when you look at the instruction, on the computer, you see, I don't know, a lot of pages. Okay, for the instruction. So you can find out the code number for each different business. Okay, one more time, I need to say it again. When we prepare Schedule C, we mean this is an individual business. Individual. It's not partnership. It is not LLC, it is not corporation. This is only your personal, individual business. And another background, okay. Under the IRC, okay, Internal Revenue Code, for the husband and wife, they are supposedly to file their own Schedule C. So say for example, husband is lawyer, wife is doctor, and each of them run their own business. Okay, they are supposed to run their file the different Schedule C. Okay, and also we talk about the same issue probably in the week number 1 at the beginning. Even the husband and wife, running on the same business. Say husband and wife running a grocery store, okay, and they did not file corporation, so they are running the corporate grocery store under their personal name. If they are not living in the common law state, they are supposed to report partnership, not Schedule C. Understand? However, because we are live in California, California is one of the 9 community property state. So in California, if husband and wife running the same business under their personal name, they can file Schedule C. Understand? So I just want to lay out the background for today. So hopefully, before we go into the detail, we got a very basic idea. What is the Schedule C for? Okay. Another issue. So if under one person, okay, under one same person, doesn't matter married person or unmarried person, under one person, if you were running different type business, say Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you are lawyer. Okay, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, you are real estate broker, like me. And you are supposedly to file different Schedule C. Understand? Very, very tedious. Very, very hassle. That is the law. That is the reason why under the capital B, you see the B, you need to designate the code number. Each code number indicate one type business. So hopefully you only have one job, okay? Otherwise you need to find each Schedule C for each job. Okay. Again, don't forget, okay? Schedule C related to your individual business, not your corporation, not your partnership, not your LLC. Got it?
For husband and wife, whose Social Security you gonna use?
Okay, that is one issue you need to. Usually, because we are in California, so it doesn't matter because husband and wife, assuming husband and wife running the same business. Okay, usually you just use this Social Security number with the same number on your 1040. On the main taxpayer, However, there's one issue. Okay, if you consider to build out one spouse Social Security, okay, then you just use that spouse Social Security number. You got it? Because when we talk about Social Security points, okay, accumulate points, that credit only goes to the person whose Social Security number is being used here. So again, that's related back to Eugene's point, right? One of the main purposes of this class is for the tax planning. So when we talk about Schedule C, don't forget this may relate to Social Security somehow, some way. So each topic may relate to each other. So good points. Good points. Okay. So I did not answer your questions directly. However, the point is, if one of the spouse would like to accumulate Social Security credit, then your couple use dad, spouse, social security number here.
How about the other spouse without cover?
So probably use alternative one way. Every year your alternative.
Change it?
Yeah, you can change that every year. Well, talk about that, okay? So I think so far we just lay out the background of Schedule C. Any questions so far? Chapter 5, don't forget we're going to talk about business expense. And this issue apply to individual and also apply to corporation. But for today, right now, we will focus on individual. So we talk about Schedule C. Any questions so far?